Hello, welcome to Introducing Computer Systems, Video 1. In this video, we're going to discuss what a computer is. This means by the end of the video you should understand the term computer, as well as what we mean by the term hardware and the term software. When you think of a computer, a picture of a particular type of machine, probably a modern machine, comes into your head. However, computers have been around for a very long time and in some forms that will surprise you. Before modern machines, the term computer actually referred to people. In the 17th and 18th centuries, a computer was someone who performed calculations by hand. These human computers were often employed to do complex mathematical tasks, such as calculating astronomical positions, creating navigation charts, or even solving engineering problems. They worked in teams, sometimes for governments or large companies, where accuracy and speed were crucial. With the rise of more complex scientific work in the 19th and early 20th centuries, the demand for human computers grew, particularly during World War II, when they played a vital role in code breaking and artillery calculations. As stated earlier, computers have been around a while. The history of mechanical and electronic computers dates back thousands of years, beginning with simple tools like the abacus, used by ancient civilizations to perform basic calculations. Fast forward to the 17th century, when mechanical calculating machines like Blaise Pascal's Pascaline and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz's step reckoner were invented. These machines laid the groundwork for more complex devices. In the 19th century, Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine, considered the first concept of a general-purpose computer, though it was never completed in his lifetime. The 20th century saw rapid advancements, starting with early electronic computers like the ENIAC in the 1940s, which was used during World War II for complex calculations. The invention of the transistor and later the microprocessor in the 1960s and 1970s revolutionized computing, making computers smaller, faster, and more affordable. This led to the development of personal computers in the 1980s, and since then, computers have become an essential part of everyday life, evolving into the powerful, multifunctional devices we use today. But how do we describe modern computers? Today, we say a computer is a machine that processes data. This means it takes in information, performs actions on it, and then produces a result. Computers come in different types, each with its own specific purpose and way of working. Let's look at some of them now. 1. A calculating machine. A calculating machine is a very basic type of computer. It can only process data in one specific way. Imagine a calculator. You can use it to add, subtract, multiply, or divide numbers, but that's all it can do. It follows the same steps every time and can't be used for anything else. This type of machine is very limited in what it can do, but it's good at doing the specific task it was designed for. 2. A general-purpose computer. A general-purpose computer is much more versatile. It's a machine that processes data according to the instructions of a computer program. Unlike a calculating machine, a general-purpose computer can run many different programs, which allows it to perform a wide range of tasks. For example, you can use the same computer to write an essay, browse the internet, play games, and even edit videos. The key feature of a general-purpose computer is that it can be reprogrammed by adding new software, which means it can learn to do new things. 3. An embedded system. An embedded system is a type of computer that is built into another machine. It's not a standalone device like a desktop or laptop, but is part of a larger system. For example, a microwave oven might have an embedded system that controls the heating process, or a car might have several embedded systems to manage the engine, brakes, and entertainment system. These computers are designed to do specific tasks within the machine they are part of, and they usually can't be reprogrammed to do anything else. So that's what we think a computer is. Again, in your head, you are probably thinking about boxes, microchips, and motherboards, what we call the hardware. This is only half the story, however, because, for a computer to work, it needs both hardware and software, and it's software we are going to talk about next. Software refers to the programs that run on a computer. These programs tell the computer what to do and how to process data. All software is data because it's made up of the same ones and zeros that the computer understands. However, not all data is software. Data can also include things like the text in a document, the pictures in a photo album, or the music in a playlist. Software is special because it controls how the computer works and allows it to perform different tasks. Let's put together what we have learned. In summary, computers are powerful machines that process data, and they come in different types depending on their purpose. A calculating machine handles only one specific task, while a general-purpose computer can be programmed to do many different things. An embedded system is a computer that works as part of a larger machine, helping it perform its functions. All of these computers rely on software to operate, with software being the special kind of data that gives the computer its instructions. Understanding these basic concepts helps you see how different kinds of computers work and how they make our lives easier by performing a wide range of tasks, from simple calculations to controlling complex systems. And that's it. You now know what is meant by computer, hardware, and software. If you enjoyed our content, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.